Welcome to the video demo for my IRCbot. I've been working on this bot for a few years, and it's used for my twitch.tv channel. And basically what it does is it sits in the chat room and does a whole bunch of stuff that you're going to see in this video. I'll admit that it's not perfect, and there's a lot that I still want to develop for this bot, but I've been focusing a lot on my web development lately. So I'm sure I'll have to re-record this video in the future as I add new stuff. But yeah, I developed this bot using Python, and let's get into the demo. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna start the bot up. And there's going to be some stuff you'll see in the console and in the chat room. I'll talk about that stuff in a little. The first thing I want to show is the custom commands, which is pretty simple. I have a text file that stores all of the commands, and the bot responds to them. So if I wanted people to clap in the chat room, or if I wanted to have an easy command for someone to find out the schedule, or if they wanted like a full list of commands, they can get a link for that. So that's just a few examples of custom commands, and I'll be using custom commands for pretty much every feature. That's how the bot is interacted with through the chat room. The next feature I want to go over is the auto points feature. So the bot keeps track of currency, channel currency. Call them dupe dollars because my Twitch channel is Dupian. And when let's see, here we go. So when a user joins the chat room, the server will send out a join message, and then every minute you'll see that every user that's in the chat room will get a dupe dollar. There we go. It's just waiting for that, and then you can see that I gained a dupe dollar, just like that. So it works for multiple people, uses multi-threading for that, and runs on a timer and just keeps track of who's in the chat room. If I were to leave the chat room, there would be a part message instead of a join message. So then it would exclude whoever leaves from getting points and include anyone that joins. So another way to get in-channel currency is what I call missions, and you saw a brief example. Actually, I could just do that. You saw a brief example of missions when I started the bot up earlier. So this is essentially what gets prompted in the chat room. You have a level number and then a little scenario that happens, and then type !mission when you're ready to start your journey. So this is a co-op game, so it's a team game between the chat room. So the more people that type !mission between the time that the mission is starting and the success or failure message shows up, the more likely everyone is to succeed and get in-channel currency. So got 12 dupe dollars. I have a little XP system in the chat room as well, and then we're prompted with level 2. Just want to note that I sped up all these cooldowns for the sake of this video demo. Normally the process of this showing up and between mission starting and the success or failure and then the cooldown of another level takes minutes. So if I didn't have it like that, it would be really spammy in the chat room. But another feature with the missions that I felt was necessary, basically if I have to end the broadcast for whatever reason, and if the chat gets to a really high level, I have saving. So if we turn the bot off, Control C, restart the bot, we'll see level 2 again, which I think is awesome. There it is. And then I stack the odds So I'm gonna fail this one. You'll see what a failure looks like. And there you go, game over. The pack of dogs, we were attacked by a pack of dogs, and then the evil guy is clapping because he's happy that we lost. So there you go, level 1 starts again, and it's just another fun interactive way to get people to earn in-channel currency. Alright, so now I'll show you what the purpose of the in-channel currency is for, and that's for raffles. So you accumulate a whole bunch of currency doing the games or just being in the chat room, and then you can buy tickets for any raffles that I do for my stream. So only the broadcaster can use this command, !raffle, and if anyone else tries to do it, nothing happens. But if I press enter, a raffle will start. And I set this up to be fast, just like the missions, so the cooldowns are a bit different. And I also added, by default, 2 users, user 1 that has 21 tickets in the raffle, and user 2 that has 12 tickets in the raffle, just to show that it works, I guess. So type !raffle, raffle is starting. I'll show you guys my starting dupe dollars, and then if I add tickets, say I want 10, we have 10 tickets in the raffle. So now I'm at 29.81. That's too much. Let's remove tickets 5. So I have 5 tickets left in the raffle. 29. 986 dupe dollars left. But I really want to win. Let's see my odds. If I type my tickets, I have a 76% chance of winning. 105 tickets, and then just in time I made it. Winner is me with a bet of 105 dupe dollars and a win percentage of 76.09. And then if we check, I have 30,000 now because I won the 33 that they bet, and then maybe got like an extra one for just being in the chat room. So that's raffles. And that is how you use your in-channel currency with the bot. Okay, so the last feature that I want to show off is my quote system. And it's pretty simple. Basically, I have a bunch of quotes saved in a text file, and the bot can access that file, and the quotes are all indexed in there, so it can pick out the right quote. So let's say I want the first quote to be shown, just type !quote and then put a space and then the index of the quote. It's also quote 2. And let's say that you don't know the index of your favorite quote for whatever reason, want to discover something new that you haven't seen, type !quote, no index, and it will randomly choose a quote. And do that one more time. There we go, just some proof that it is random. And there are, in fact, only 3 quotes that I have right now. So let's say that I wanted to add another quote. Say this is actually quote 4 because quote 3 was trying to be quote 4. There we go. Quote 4 added. There we go. And if I try quote 5, there is a cooldown period. So if we try that again, there you go. If we try quote 5, it says, please choose an integer between 1 and 4. And if I add quote 5, there we go. Type quote 5 out. There we go. And there you go. That's just an example of, you don't want people spamming quotes in the chat room, so having a nice cooldown period, yet again, shortened for the video demo. And that's it. So that's what I have to show for my IRCbot. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.